Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our Mini Eurasia show in Istanbul. Today I want to show you our newest product in our lineup, the pallet changing system. The pallet changing system is capable of holding up to 24 pallets and 16 tools. All this is controlled by our newest ROBOCAM FMS software here. The pallets are stacked onto these drawers here, and the operator can insert new pallets and new parts through this sliding door, which goes up and down automatically. On this side are also the pallets, and on the last side here you can see the 16 tool stations here. You can exit the FMS system, the pallet changing system, through this sliding door, and also a cleaning station for the pallets and the tools is also included. There's a 25 kilogram robot attached currently, but you can go up to 25, 50 or 70 kilos.